Heavy grease demands a commercial-grade approach to pot cleaning spray and filtration in a big family house kitchen project. Use a commercial-grade pre-rinse sprayer mounted over a deep sink with a weighted hose and a pistol grip spray valve for focused high-pressure rinse without splashing. Pair the sprayer with a dedicated rinse path plumbed to a grease trap sized for heavy household loads based on expected daily grease volume. Calculate sizing by estimating meal frequency and typical grease per meal, and err on the larger side for multi-course family meals. Install a Grease-Interceptor outside or in a utility area where possible to protect plumbing and municipal lines, and choose a model with easy access covers for manual grease removal. Position the interceptor so flow is slow enough for oil to separate, but not so slow that solids settle excessively. Add a coarse, removable filter basket or micromesh cartridge at the sink drain to catch solids and large fat lumps before they reach the trap, and make the basket reachable without tools, so routine emptying is fast. Design the rinse path to be dishwasher-rated by using heat-tolerant piping and a thermal break or tempering valve to prevent cold water shock and to allow a final hot rinse cycle. This improves sanitization and assists grease flow. Finally, plan for regular maintenance with a schedule and simple checklists for spray valve inspection, hose replacement intervals, filter cleaning steps, and grease interceptor emptying to keep performance consistent. The three most common issues are clogging from food solids, spray valve wear causing poor pressure, and undersized grease handling that overloads the system. Clogs are best prevented by a removable filter basket and a short daily rinse routine that empties solids into compost or trash before they reach plumbing. Worn spray valves are solved by keeping spare cartridges on hand and replacing seals and washers on a predictable timeline based on usage rather than waiting for failure. Undersizing the trap or interceptor should be fixed by re-evaluating household grease production and upgrading to the next standard size, or adding a secondary interceptor and making access for pumping easier. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like this, helping us find local professionals familiar with commercial-style fixtures for homes. We host a discussion community where our members share installation tips, product recommendations, and maintenance routines to make projects smoother for both homeowners and contractors.